guys, and welcome back. Today we're gonna make a very simple soup with spinach, the Malabar spinach version. As you can see here, we have two kinds. We have the purple ones here, although the leaves are still green or greens, but the stem here, it's purple. And there's a green version also. So let's cut some leaves. And the way we cut this is actually simple, but if we want the plant to regrow faster, we should cut near the stem, near the root. So we're just gonna cut here, close to it. Right. Cut the whole thing. And also, if you notice, both leaves have different colors, and also the texture is a bit different. This is thicker, this is thin, this is the best. This here tastes much better. This tastes a little bit sour and sticky. So we're going to remove this, but we're not gonna eat this. All right, we only eat this one here. And also, wow, look at this leaf. Huge one, huge one. So let's cut deep down here. See, let's cut. All right. We're gonna eat this. Look at this. Nice. Beautiful. Right? This is healthy one. Very healthy. Let's cut some green one. Alright. Here. Cut. There you go. Look at this. Very nice. Huge one here. Cut this one. There we go. That's it. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can also cut the leaf individually, and there you go, cut right here. Oh, wow, very nice. Alright, I think we have enough to make a nice and healthy soup.
The next step is to wash them properly. For the soup, we need 100 grams of shrimps. Marinate them with a quarter teaspoon of salt. Then a quarter teaspoon of pepper. Half teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix them well, then marinate it for at least 5 minutes. Then take some shallots and garlic and chop them. In a hot pan, add some oil. Then add the minced shallot and garlic. Now add the shrimps and stir them for a few minutes. Next, add 500 milliliters of chicken broth. Boil the broth, then take out the skim. Season the soup with 1 teaspoon of sugar. Also 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. And finally 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Now add the spinach. The last step is to bring it to the boiling point, and that's it. Alright, let's try this. So yummy. Look at these colors.
Wow. It's so simple. Mmm. 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 See you next time, guys.